What's up, guys? This is just a quick video on some Barino LED lights for the garage. I've been wanting more light in here. I mean, you can kind of see, well, I don't know how much the camera's going to pick up, but I want to add more light here because when I make videos, it seems to be darker, and I've been using these LED lights on the wall to supplement. So I ordered these at $49 from Amazon. It's unboxing. I'd started to try them. With them not mounted on the roof, it's going to be hard to see, but I will get to mounting them, but I just want to do it before. I have plugged in 3 of them just where you can kind of see the light difference. So at first I was disappointed with them because I thought, man, these aren't very bright at all. But when I turned them off, like, it's not very bright with just those lights or just the Barino lights on. But what I did notice is when I turn off the Barino lights, or Barino, however you pronounce it, that they actually are adding quite a bit of light. I guess it's just too subtle for me to really see. So I got 3 more to hook up. And I'm gonna take an after, but right now, initially I was disappointed with the way they looked or what I thought they would do, but now I'm kind of optimistic that they really will help. So I'm going to get them installed and then I'm going to shoot an after. Alright guys, so the lights are up. I don't have them on right now. After installing them, I am like very impressed with them. I'm probably going to order another set for $48, $49 and put them on the back to brighten that up. But let me just show you how much they brighten up the room. I was very amazed or shocked by it. So yeah, I mean, I thought the lights I had in here before were bright or decent until I put these up. I was actually shocked by the difference. So this is with all my lights, without the original lights. So yeah, I'm gonna put probably 6 more up on the back end here, or continue running this way and then a few in the back. They mount easily. Just got a couple of these metal clips like that with a screw, and then you just snap them in. They're very easily mounted. So yeah, overall, I'm very pleased with them. I'm actually very glad I bought them and waited to save money in ordering them. So anyway, if you want to see more videos like this, just like, subscribe. I try to do very informational, practical videos. So till next time.